Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In Power BI, we have a table with a 3 column, that is subject, result and student name. Basically, this is a student's exam result table. From this table, we need to create a matrix that display student name in row and subject in column. For each student, it should indicate which are the subjects they pass or fail. Additionally, we need to count number of subjects each student has passed and add that value over here. Let's over to the Power BI. We'll add data to this matrix. Student name to the row, and in column we need a subject. Let's start by creating a new measure. We'll name this measure count. What I'm trying to do is I'll bring some values over here. HASONEVALUE, subject. Add this measure to our visual. HASONEVALUE return true if the specified column has one distinct value. You can see that under the subject is returned true except for the total. Total column there is no subject. I will write another condition. If it's true, I want to bring the result. Selected value, result. Close the bracket, enter. Instead of HASONEVALUE, we can give ISINSCOPE. ISINSCOPE return true if the specified column is in current filter context. What's that meaning? For example, take this value, second value. Second value have two filters. One is subject is equal to computer, and the second filter is student name is equal to Ahmed. That's why we got this value on this particular cell. In case of performance, there is a significant difference between HASONEVALUE and ISINSCOPE. HASONEVALUE need to count the number of value in the column, whereas ISINSCOPE does not depend on how many values are visible. That's make ISINSCOPE more faster than HASONEVALUE. Now we need to count the number of subject each student has passed. For that, we write another condition that if it's false, if this statement goes false, count the rows of a not entered table, filtered table. Filter, and the filter expression is some result is equal to pass. That's it. Now you can see that against each student number of subjects they have passed. That's all for now. Thank you. Bye bye.